I'm a little bit emotional today, yeah, because not only is my last video of the year, but it's probably the last video I'll ever have, or probably the last Mark 7 Golf that I'll ever own. Which since the start of this YouTube account, I feel like it's kind of revolved around Mark 7 Golfs, which was my childhood, man. Mark 7 Golf was my childhood. Because if you're deeper, I'm 20 years old. If you're around my age, these cars came out in like 2013, 14. When we were little, couldn't drive, far from driving. And then when we got older, it was like a realistic car that we could afford and get, and we can get the quick ones and the GTIs and all of that. I actually think Mark 7 genuinely is an iconic shape. Like, we'll look back, probably don't care now because everyone and their dog's got one, but we're gonna look back and just remember. You remember Mark 7s were a thing. That was a good time. And I know the older gen are like, the Mark 2 was the OG one, but I don't know, I feel like that's finished now. That was too boxy for me. I'm just not from that generation. Can't truly appreciate it because I don't even see them about. I know no one rated 3. Mark 5 GTI, that's a strong community. I rate the Mark 5 highly. And the Mark 6 for me, it just never really hit. I just never really cared about it. But then 7 was like the G spot. Is that the right? That's why I've had loads, man. I've had so many Mark 7s, I've lost count. All sorts of variants. I think this is perfect. The handle's great. It's got a decent amount of... This is the worst Mark 7 I owned out of all of them. It's a shame to end on a downer, but I do think it's time to move on. I've owned Mark 7 Golfs since I've been past, mate. I think it's just time to move on. Obviously, you might see them on my channel if I'm buying one to sell. Then yeah, sure, I won't go out my way to not buy a Mark 7. But in terms of personal car, like this, obviously I bought it to flip, but it has also been my daily. Oh mate, you see, I would have flown through that. They're 180 brake horsepower out of the box. A genuine estimation, I reckon we're pushing about 125, and that's simply based off my old 1.4. Reason being, turbo's gone, DPF's blocked. Don't know how I'm gonna. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. I know last time I did a late night drive, driving nowhere, just booting it about. You lot enjoyed it. I can't really boot. I can boot it. I can give it some. I'll give it full throttle out this roundabout. You ready? Do you see what I mean? It's just not as dramatic without a turbo. Do you see what I mean? This is me pressing it. I swear to God, I've got my foot to the... Oh, maybe you're in the wrong gear. Alright, gear 2 pull. There's torque. It's a diesel. Trust me, there's torque. 25 miles an hour. You ready? It's all torque, no action, mate. At least my screen's working today. Usually don't work. So I've got it in. I'll whack it in sport. Because sport is like eco, and eco is like handicapped. Hustle every day. Hustle every day. Do you think the Christmas this year has just been so... Like, no one's done nothing. What's Christmassy about this? It's always the most awkward thing, parking in the crossing and everyone... I didn't even mean to. This bloody traffic light went red. Is he even in there? Oh, fat mate. Alright, the POV, yeah, starts now, mate. Right, this is a bit long, mate. Oh, you lot, man, party anywhere. You reckon we'll fit through that, boys? Oof. Straight in, mate. Driving around Christmas time within a radius of a Wetherspoons is literally like a game of Tetris. Oh my God, she just got a minge out, bro. Just because it's Christmas, you can't just get your minge out. Come on, bro. This all started with Jesus being bored in a shed. You got your minge out? That's disgusting. That's actually disgusting, bro. Keep the kebabs for 2-3 a.m. on a night out. It's only 8 o'clock. It's alright, love. Or sir, or wherever you are. Bloody hell, Santa's put on a few. Anyway. No one indicates anymore, man. Look, not one of them. No, you gotta remember there's pedestrians as well relying on your indicator. I think not indicating is ignorant. Brother, happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Do you celebrate Christmas? You don't look like you do. Still got enough power to do that. bunny hop, hooking round every bend. This is becoming a problem. Every corner, every little nut and cranny, there's just 20 guys waiting at the traffic light. This is the reality, yeah, of POV drive. It's just POV wait. Can't even just chip through, because I got no turbo. Got no turbo, by the way. Don't know if I mentioned. Okay, look, gear 2, 60 miles an hour, short little road, foot down. That's not supposed to do that, mate. That is not quick. No talk, mate. Less talk than a podcast. I know I say this a lot, but I'm going to say it on video and post it just to pressurize myself to actually doing it. I want to try and post consistently throughout the whole of next year and just see where I get, man, because I see potential with this YouTube account. The fact that someone watches me do a whole load of every week. If you're watching this video right, well, obviously you're watching it right now. Doubt they're gonna quote this from the Daily Mirror. Unless we wrap ourselves around a lamppost, then you might actually be watching this video without watching it. Oh, the guy behind wants a race. How do I tell? I'm in limp. I'm not a GTD, I'm a 1 litre. Oh, I forgot to say this in another video. So I'm looking for a car using only the money I made from my YouTube adverts. I don't want to blow all of it, but 4,000 to 5,000 quid. What car do you think I should get? Primarily for content. It's got to be a fun car. I'm thinking a Civic Type R. I'm thinking a Mark 5 GTI. Something old school, but good driver's experience that I can mod and actually make content on. I'll give you like actual breakdown, yeah. We're turning right, speed limit up there, 50 mile an hour. We're doing about 20 on this roundabout. Oh, even better, we're coming to a stop. Right, cool. We're in sport mode. We're going to get to 50 as quick as we can. We're up against a Mazda, whatever that is, Mazda 2. Here we go. No clutch dump. Gear 2. We're not at 50 yet. There, 50. Ooh! No, don't worry. Oh, let's actually race him. Come. Oh, come on, bro. Put some effort in. Alright, here we go. That's my foot down. Don't worry, bro. You're good. I don't care. Okay, cool. We're struggling to gap 08 plate Astra. To be fair, it does move at higher speeds. You can't really feel the limp mode because obviously then you're doing like an average speed. You're sort of just lingering there. It's just when you're speeding up from low speed. Just literally when you're using the turbo, innit? See what I mean? It does struggle to get to 70. But who cares, man? Car's a car. It's quicker than walking, innit? If you're gonna be the next owner. Oh, why are there so many of the LAPD out and about today? Joy, what the hell is going up there? It's a dogging spot. Fucking perv. My man's a cock, bro. Full-time job. Nothing's happened up there. It's a dogging spot. Well, probably. It's probably a dogging spot, innit? Yo, the roads are 40, innit? You don't really need to do 25. And I don't think it's any better in this lane. She's gone with 32. What party poopers, man. Fair enough, you've got your daughter in the car. What's your excuse, mate? Oh, she's drunk. Never mind. She had the bottle in her hand. I don't condone drunk drive. Actually, I can't even speak on the matter because I've never done it. But I'll tell you what I don't condone is tired driving. Don't drive if you're tired. Genuinely, it's too hard. I think it's harder than anything. I feel like this whole video has just been a red light. I might as well upload a screenshot at this point and just stretch it out and talk over it. Oh my god, why does everyone keep cutting me off today? What are we waiting for him? My man doesn't care. He ain't got a UK license. Got a fake one from Delhi. You think he gives a fuck about red light? Only red lights that are grabbing his attention is what, Amsterdam. In Delhi, yeah? Have you seen the roads in Delhi? About 20 lanes. But here you want me to stop for him. You want the whole traffic to stop. Everyone's getting late for Christmas party. He's a spaz as well. Look, he's just in all the lanes. Like, you've decided to come in, so I'm gonna let you in. You know what I'm saying? Now you're not even coming in. Like, what made you change plans? Was it, he's still in both lanes and the light's gone red. Managed to get away from them all, but now they're coming back to the red light. I didn't even do that to get ahead of them. I wanted to get away from them because the license landed from Legoland. Yo, we need to, something needs to be done about these lights. Hopefully we'll feel a lot more, oh crumbs, oh crap. Yo, why the hell are these? They give me anxiety, you know, driving around them. Alright, cool, finally. A bit of me time in the corner. Problem is the street's not that long. I'm back at the lights before you know it. Technically, boys, we're naturally aspirated. We're not even a TDI, mate. We're a TI. We're a graphics card. It's not even the fact they're red. I get it, people need to cross. It's just why they're not going green. They're just not. No traction on these tyres, bro. That's why you don't go AliExpress for them. Sideways, mate. He's decided to overtake. So wait, right, he's completed his overtake. Sorry for this relaxed element of video today, but come on, bro, you gotta remember, I'm not rolling out with 20 cameramen and putting one on my forehead. Like, what did you expect when you clicked on the video? Ice bucket challenge. Brakes and clutch and handling are some strong points about this car. They're really good. This is why I love the handling of any Mark 7. Let go of that throttle, kicks you right back in. It's almost like 4 motion on a... Yo! Turbo's back, mate. The game is back. Ego has got to me. Chat to me when you've got a GTD with a turbo, to be honest. Anyone with a GTD watching has got a turbo. That is sick. Maintenance sent me back nothing. Ready to... There's roads to tear. I'm saying we hit a car meet. We're leaving traction off, everything, no limitations, lights gone green. Oh, we are so back, mate. Already at yo! And we've actually gapped something. Lara, let me be happy. I've been driving around no turbo for that long. Oh, can you move out of the way? Alright, cool, get in the left, get in the left, get in the left, get in the left, get in the left. What's wrong with these lot, man? It's not like I can undertake. I've got the camera on my head. Bro, I'm giving you space. Hello, yo. Oh, you ruined the run. You blueboard us. 10,000 people are physically pissed off at you, you know. Right, I've given you time. I'm gonna give it one more attempt. Leave it. Yo. What the hell's going on, bro? Yo, it's gone limp mode again. Well, no, the lights. If this Prius gaps us, we're in limp mode. Oh, you've got to be fucking joking.